This training will be based on a health analytics use case to show the importance of data integrity and the result and impact when bad data remains undiscovered. We are using real data from the Medicare website seen here, which is publicly available. This data is used to rate facilities in North America and impacts these facilities in either positive or negative ways. For example, a facility that improves their ratings from 3 to 4 stars can increase revenue between 13.4% and 17.6% through increased enrollments and additional bonuses. On the other hand, penalties are applied when incorrect data is provided, which can result in fines, impact reputation, and other effects seen here. As you can see, it is important we test to ensure data integrity. 71 flat files are made available by Medicare, as well as a system requirement specification. Based on these requirements, we will set up our tests in our lessons to ensure that these standards are met and the data is accurate as it moves across the warehouse. Our lessons are based on this Medicare data. We have created this data warehouse environment and simulated an ETL so we can create automated tests at specific points. Each lesson will explain why and when to set up these tests, but let's have a quick overview of the tests we will cover. We start off with the Medicare flat files. Before we import this data into our data lakes or staging area, we need to check that the flat files, metadata, and formatting is correct based on the Medicare CMS specifications. We can then check that the data moved from the staging area to the data warehouse on table level for completeness, correctness, metadata, nullness, and integrity to ensure that the data moved correctly. Now we can check the data migrated or imported into our cloud data warehouse on field level for specific formatting tests. And here we can drill down and customize our tests based on the original Medicare specification. Once we know the data landed in our cloud warehouse is formatted correctly with accurate metadata, we can test that the data itself is complete and transformed correctly. We want to test to ensure that the data selected in our BI report is accurate based on earlier data storage. And finally, we can set up monitoring checks to alert users as soon as any production data deviates from baseline behavior.